Hello, we continue with the experiment and we have now filled the boiler and start the experiment. So we will turn off on the power plant. Here is the turn off on key. So there's first the green light shows that it's on and the red light is flipping or blinking to show that it's testing the system, and now it's off, so it means that everything should be okay. And is the gas turned on from here? Yes, gas is on, and then the switch in the power plant like this.
Yep.
And then turn on the heat. So you probably hear the blower operating. It takes some time to vent the system and then it starts. Okay, the ignition was that. So now the gas is boiling in the furnace or boiler, and we wait until the pressure increases to the operating level.
So this is starting to build up.
Yeah, so this is the gauge pressure inside the boiler. So it will take some time before it's there, so I will close the video for a while. And then we continue when it's up at the operational pressure. But let's take a look at the gas analyzers first. Mark will explain these.
So basically we have two gas analyzers working at the same time. The first one gives you the water vapor content in the flue gas, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and propane on dry bases. And now you can see with the start of the ignition, you start to have the formation of carbon dioxide, and you still would have traces of carbon monoxide and propane. And part of the problem is to do the mass and energy balance across the boiler. So using the flue gases, you would be able to calculate the air to fuel ratio that takes place into the burner. But in order to do that, you would need the oxygen content as well, and that's what we measure in the second analyzer, where you have here CO, CO2 and oxygen, and you could see that there is excess oxygen in the flue gases, and now you have this is around 10% CO2 on dry basis, similar to the other analyzer, and around 500 ppm. So using this information, you could back engineer or back calculate it to find out what is the air to fuel ratio you have in